Ever find yourself setting goals that somehow never lead to results? Why do some strategies succeed spectacularly while others fizzle out? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to setting goals that not only inspire action, but guarantee results. We're not just talking about any goals, but those grounded in scientific principles that turn aspirations into achievements. Miss this, and you might continue spinning your wheels without ever really moving forward. Stay tuned to transform how you think about goals and supercharge your ability to achieve them beyond the usual goal-setting rhetoric. Ever wonder why traditional goal-setting advice doesn't seem to work? Most methods you've come across are likely outdated or overly simplistic. Today, we'll explore a simple, 5-step goal-setting process derived not from the usual business manuals, but from scientific literature. This approach promises a fresh perspective on solving real problems effectively. Number 1. Cracking the code. What problem does your goal really solve? Before diving into any project, it's crucial to pinpoint the actual problem your goal intends to solve. A clear example is ensuring website enhancements directly lead to more leads and, subsequently, more customers. If a goal doesn't address a specific problem that aligns with increasing customer base, enhancing customer value, or boosting enterprise value, then it might not be worth pursuing. A tech startup identifies slow page load times as a significant deterrent for user retention. Their goal becomes reducing page load times to increase user engagement and reduce bounce rates, directly addressing a core problem that affects business growth. Number 2. Expectations versus reality. Crafting smart hypotheses for success. Instead of merely setting a goal, formulate a hypothesis. This involves predicting the outcomes of your actions, just like in a scientific experiment. For instance, reducing the time to contact leads from 30 minutes to 5 minutes should theoretically increase the conversion rate. This step challenges you to think critically about the cause and effect of your strategies. A retail company hypothesizes that by introducing an online chat feature, they can increase customer satisfaction and sales. The hypothesis might state, if we provide immediate assistance via live chat, we will increase conversion rates by 10%. Number 3. Action plan. Turning strategic theories into concrete results. Specify what actions will be taken to test your hypothesis. For example, the goal to call leads within 5 minutes represents a clear and actionable step. This focuses on the process and the expected outcome, like increasing the percentage of leads who schedule appointments. A health and fitness app decides to integrate social sharing features, hypothesizing that it will lead to increased user engagement. The actionable step is to develop and implement the feature within 3 months, then monitor engagement levels through analytics. Number 4. Truth in numbers. Measuring impact to validate your strategy. After implementing the action, the next crucial step is to review the outcomes. Did reducing the call time to leads increase the number of scheduled appointments? This phase involves checking the before and after states, measuring the actual impact against the hypothesized outcomes, and documenting findings to refine future strategies. An e-commerce platform implements a new recommendation algorithm to increase average order value. After 3 months, they analyze customer purchasing data to see if there has indeed been an increase in average order value compared to the previous period without the algorithm. Number 5. The power of incremental gains. Why small steps matter. Discuss how continual improvements, often in small increments, contribute significantly to long-term success. Big businesses thrive by making numerous small enhancements regularly. This methodical approach to tweaking operations can lead to substantial growth over time. A software development company adopts agile methodologies to improve product development speed and responsiveness to client feedback. They conduct sprint retrospectives to identify successful elements and areas for improvement, applying these insights to each new project cycle for continuous improvement. Think like a CEO, using business acumen to set and achieve goals. As we wrap up our deep dive into effective goal setting, remember that this is just the beginning of your journey towards mastery and financial freedom. If you're intrigued about transforming your life and achieving a lifestyle of financial freedom, make sure to watch our next video. We'll explore additional strategies to get you there and reveal some unexpected surprises that could accelerate your success. Don't miss out on these insights that could be the key to unlocking your full potential.